Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 healthy eating habits. Eat a variety of foods for balanced nutrition. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Choose whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat bread. Eat smaller portions to avoid overeating. Limit sugary drinks and snacks. Eat meals at regular times every day. Include protein-rich foods like beans, nuts, and lean meats. Avoid eating too much fast food or fried foods. Listen to your body and stop eating when you are full. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.